Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run iPhone and iPad apps on a Mac. Let's get started. So there are two different ways to run iPhone and iPad apps on a Mac. The first method is to install it directly from the macOS App Store. So to do this, we can just open up the App Store and we can search for the app that we want to install. And then we can go to the iPhone and iPad app section, and then you should see the app over here, and then you can just click on the download button. And now it's downloaded. So now I can go to the applications folder and launch the app, and it works. Now the problem with this method is that a lot of iOS apps are not going to be available in the Mac App Store. And the reason is that app developers have chosen to keep their app out of the Mac App Store. For example, if I want to install Instagram and we go to iPhone and iPad apps, there's no Instagram app. So to install apps that are not available in the App Store, we need to open up a web browser and we need to go to Sideloady, and we're going to go to the download section and we're going to download the version for macOS. And now we can just go and install Sideloady, and we can go to the applications folder and run Sideloady. And you should see a window that looks something like this. So now we need to get the app that we want to install. So to do this, we're going to open up a web browser and we're going to go to ARM Converter App Store. And this website has a bunch of different iOS apps that we can install that have been decrypted so that we can actually run them on the Mac. So we're going to look for the app we want to install, and then we can just click on decrypt this app, and then we can just click on the install with Sideloady button, and you should see the app populated in this little thing right here. So now we need to enter our Apple ID email account, and this is because it needs to sign this app with our personal ID, which will let macOS install the app. And now I can just click on start, and now it's done. So now I can go to the applications folder, and we should see our app installed right here. So now I can just open it, and it's going to show a window that looks like this. So we need to approve it through Gatekeeper. So to do this, we're going to go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and we're going to click on Open Anyway. And it worked! So you can use this method to install any app that's outside of the App Store. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!